most of all, have some fun as well. Now, Parrot and Longleat know, me and Matilda do like to do things by competition. The first show is no different, so Matilda's going to start us off by raising the flag. Give it a little clap. Thank you very much. That's the show officially begun, and to start things off, I'm actually going to test your parrot knowledge. Now, can anyone tell me what the most commonly kept pet parrot is? Anyone know? Not an African grey, can I answer those? Budgie, superb, Budgie is as much a parrot as Matilda and these noisy birds. There's lots of things that they put together. First, we've got Matilda's feet. Now, Matilda, can you show one with special feet? Nice big wave. It's very half-hearted. Very good. Let's try one down the middle as well. Nice big wave. Yeah, very nice. So let's have one over here as well. We have one foot and the other foot as well. That will do. There we go. So if you look at Matilda's special feet, you notice she has 2 toes facing forwards, 2 toes facing backwards. Now this is known as
stand up on the chair.
It's a very complicated word, so that's what we're doing.
Go to Mommy, let me hold it.
Second of all, all parrots have this big hook-shaped beak. Now this beak is a very powerful beak, but also a very gentle beak. Matilda will use it to break into tough nuts and tough fruits. But what Matilda's going to do for us first is show us how she likes to show off those special feet. But she's not going to show them off by climbing, because she actually owns her very own pair of parrot roller skates. So what Matilda's going to do, using those special feet, is get a nice pair of roller skates, and she's going to skate all the way down the table. Now, as you can see, Matilda does have a nice grip. Obviously, grip is very important when you live in the tops of trees. I tell you what, Matilda, a bit of show off as well. Nice big spin. Yeah, nice one. Give her a nice big back. And lovely skating as well. Now, that's the way Matilda likes to show off her special feet. We're now going to go on to the back. Now, for this one, we'll go to Jake here, but unfortunately, he's not very good at roller skating, so Jake prefers to ride around on his very own parrot scooter. So this one, Jake's going to use his beak and get a nice tight grip on the handlebars, and he's going to scoot all the way down the table as well. And you can see Jake's he's doing it with that's a nice tight grip on those handlebars. He's winning it. So this is 360, that's very nice. So let's go back as well. So as you can see, Jake's sort of using his beak a bit like a bird foot or a bird. That's lovely. Give Jake a little back as well. Okay. Very, very good. So that's the way that Matilda and Jake both like to show us their feet and their beaks. But I'm sure the thing that everyone knows about parrots is that they can copy. Now, all parrots have the ability to mimic different sounds and actions. So we'll go to Archie here. He's normally a pretty mimic. Can everyone say hello, Archie? Let's go, Archie. Can you say hello to everyone as well? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? You're rocking 2 of my fingers. Can you say hello to everyone? I'm rocking into a finger. Can you say hello? Oh, that's very good. What about a big kiss? Can everyone watch a nice big kiss? Very nice. So much. Can you blow a kiss as well? Nice big kiss. Oh, there you go. You'll actually give me a kiss. I'll tell you what, you can also see he is very cheeky. In fact, Archie, they're all laughing at you. Can you laugh at them as well? No, give me a kiss. Go on, give us a laugh. No, we did that already. You're supposed to give us a laugh. Well, look at that. That would do. Give Archie a little clap at you. Very good. Now, I'll tell you what, next we'll go back to Matilda. We saw what a talented One of those is doing impressions. Now her best impression is of a duck. So Matilda, do you want the duck impression? You can do it that way. You do a duck? I'll tell you what, as well as doing impressions, Matilda also likes to whistle. But she is quite a competitive, so she likes to have a whistling competition. So can anyone else whistle? Anyone whistle? You're alright, after 3, whoever can whistle, just whistle as loud as you can. Okay, all ready? 1, 2, 3. Pretty good, Matilda, that's not bad. Do you reckon you can beat that? Nice big loud whistle from you. Oh, that's not bad. Now give yourself that, Matilda. Now, as you can see though, all these wonderful birds do enjoy showing off and copying different sounds and actions. But we'll go down to Bobby, down on the end. Bobby enjoys playing a few games. In fact, like a lot of us, he was inspired by last summer's Olympics. So he's actually decided to take up an Olympic sport. He's gone for a little bit of basketball. He's got a very long basketball hoop and also a ball as well. So fingers crossed, Bobby's going to show off some of his basketball skills and get a nice tight grip on the little ball. You right, Bobby? You walk right past it, walk right next to you, that's right there. Hopefully Bobby's going to show off some of his basketball skills and get a nice tight grip on the little ball, but he won't break it. Bobby knows if he puts... I know it's the last show of the day, Bobby, but put a little bit of effort in, I know that. So hopefully he's got a nice tight grip on the little ball, but he won't break it. Bobby knows, that's more like it. So Bobby knows if he puts too much pressure on the little ball, it will crack. So as you can see, he can be very gentle as well. That was good. Good Bobby. Very good. But as I said, the purpose of the basketball was to show us how gentle Bobby can be. But I'm sure everyone also knows it's a really powerful beak as well. So to show you all just how powerful it can be, we'll go back to Matilda. And I'm also going to need a volunteer. Who doesn't have a nut allergy. Who's allergic to nuts? Let's have... Go on then. Get to jump on stage a minute. That's it, super. Now, you think nice and strong today? You're pretty strong? Yeah? What I'm going to try and do is show you how strong you are by breaking this nut. Okay? It's only a little hazelnut. So you put it in your hands and squeeze it as tight as you can so you can crack it. You can use both hands. I think that helps. That's a good technique. Let's have a look at his face. Look at it. Oh my goodness, you got it? That's how I can't do it. Should we see if Matilda can do it? If you put the nut flat in your hand, she'll take it off you really gently. That's it. We'll see if Matilda can do it. Matilda, do you reckon you can do it? It looks a bit of a toughie. Oh, look at that. No problems at all. Give Matilda, oh my God, Matilda, nice to do that. Thank you very much. Bobby loves playing football, so he has himself in training. He's got his very own football goal and also a set of training cones as well. So, fingers crossed, he's going to show off some of his South American skill. All the way around the cones. And as you can see, Bobby doesn't use his feet. He uses that little tongue of his to dribble the ball, hopefully around the rest of the cones. Yeah, that's pretty good. And if he does score a goal, give him a nice big cheer. Oh! Now, as you can see though, Bobby and the rest of the birds are very playful, and also very big, very colourful, and very noisy, very noisy birds. There is one bird that we haven't photoed yet, and it's this beautiful little green one. This is Gunner. Now, Gunner is a very beautiful military macaw. Now, in the wild, military macaws have to be a little bit quieter, a little bit darker in colour, because they need to hide away from predators. So she's a little bit shy,
Fantastic. Drop them into the stage. That's it, fantastic. Well, I'm moving your over. Everyone step to the edge of the stage for me. Go to the edge. If you'll face the front, you'll be getting a nice big kiss from gun. Is that alright? A nice big kiss on the cheek? So I'll go first. So I'll have a kiss on the cheek first. Look at the cheek. Very nice. I'll come into any head. Just give me a cheek there. Look at the cheek. Very nice. Got Spider-Man as well. Very nice. What for you? We'll cheek up one. Very nice. What for you as well. Very nice. What for your lady on the cheek there. Very nice. What for you? Very nice. What for this young man as well? That cheek. Very nice. And one more colour on the cheek. That would do. Give all my volunteers a nice Now, another thing I'm sure everyone already knows this. Noise birds are of course very clever. They're extremely intelligent animals. In fact, it's actually been said the average macaw has got a similar intelligence level to a young child. Now, to prove to you all just how clever the birds can be, we'll go back to Matilda, because as well as she is one of my cleverest birds, she's also my oldest macaw as well. Matilda's actually 26 years old, which might sound old. Does anyone know how old Matilda should live? Anyone know? 50, keep going. 80, believe it or not, 60, 70, maybe even 80 years. A long time. So, here's the thought driving home this evening. Imagine looking after a noisy 3-year-old who's going to live for 80 years and never go up and leave home. Just like that. I'll tell you what, we'll show you just with some counting. Now, Matilda's got her very own counting bell. We'll need some numbers, don't we? So, can someone give us like a nice low number between 1 and 5? Alright, let's do it. We've got it. You want it back? What number? 5. Repeat order, maybe. What number? 2. 2. That's a nice low number. Matilda, can we please have 2 bell rings? Ready? Can we have 2? Yes, good work. I tell you what, they're super easy. Let's go a little bit higher. Somebody give me a number all the way up to 10. What's up to number